Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif are finally tying the knot this year in December at a fort resort in Jaipur, Rajasthan. The preparations for the wedding are going on full swing. While Vicky and Katrina's teams have already reached the location to oversee the wedding preparations, reportedly they are yet to send out the official wedding invites for the wedding. Before we bring you a glimpse of the wedding invites, India Today revealed big names from the industry that can be seen attending the big fat wedding. A-listers like Karan Johar, Ali Abbas Zafar, Kabir Khan, Minnie Mathur, Rohit Shetty, Siddharth Malhotra, Kiara Advani, Varun Dhawan, Natasha Dalal and more are likely to mark their presence on the special day. Meanwhile, the wedding festivities will be held from December 7 to 12. While the booking has been done in the hotel for the wedding, however, the formal announcement is yet to be made. According to the report, Katrina is upset with the leak of marriage and perhaps that is why no invitation has been sent to anyone yet. However, both the stars have asked their friends and close ones to be absolutely free till December 7 to 9. Many event companies will work together to organize the VIP wedding. Different companies are being hired for different events. Reportedly, these company representatives are searching rooms in different hotels in Savai Madhopur. The teams have also booked cars in bulk to accommodate guests and others for the wedding through car rental services. This has reportedly caused a shortage of car rental services in the city. Katrina and Vicky Kaushal recently had a roka ceremony at Kabir Khan's Mumbai home, which was attended by the actress' mom and sister, besides Vicky's parents and brother Sunny Kaushal.